Now I'm changing the colors and the background and also stuff for my dashboard too. So I'm changing my back color of these text boxes to be as orange, and then as you can see over here there is a lines in the over visualization tab. So I just wanted to remove that. For this I'm going to my theme and layout and then customize tab. So in the customize tab I'm going to grid type and making it into transparent. So now you can see there's no grid lines over there. I'm choosing this to be as a opportunity taken by self-rating, making it to quicksand, and then I'm also giving its opportunity taken by opportunities by manager rating, and making it to bold. Then I'm giving it title to be as opportunity taken versus years at company, current company, and making it to bold. But as you can see in all of the visualization we didn't have any kind of grid line, but on waterfall we have a grid line. So for this I'm going to grid and making it into a transparent, or you can see as to be as white, just because it is vertical grid line over there, and all the other types we have a horizontal data types, horizontal grid line. So when we choose in the customized tab, our horizontal grid lines are being removed, but in water chart we have a vertical grid lines. So we have to do it by manually by selecting the single water chart. So now I'm giving this name to other visualization type, which is years with current manager versus job satisfaction. For the our second section of employee satisfaction and performance insights, I am giving this visualization to be required name, and now I'm giving it to name as opportunity taken by job satisfaction. And I'm giving my this visualization name to be as attribution by work-life balance. And for the second one I'm giving name to be as attribution by job satisfaction. And now I'm giving it title to be as this visualization to be as attribution by department and year at current company. And nextly, now overall of the titles name are being done, so I'm moving toward the background changing part. So I'm creating a box and then making it its order to be sent to back. Now I'm selecting my second box and then making it order into send to back and then making it to above. And making this box size into slightly upward. Now I'm giving the title to be as a final overview and making its size into be as 18 and making its background to be orange color, and the same step that I've done with previous. So now I'm choosing the text box and selecting and setting it to be, making it order it to be sent to back. And now overall the background stuff is being done, so it's time to change the color of over visualization. So I'm choosing this single color to be as orange, and now you can see the different shade of this orange color. The same stuff I'm doing with my second donut chart. And now I'm changing my color of waterfall chart into be as this orange color. I'm changing these line chart color into be series order. Changing this bar chart color into different colors. And I'm using the same copy and paste spatial technique to my other visualization type that are of the same type. So now you can see automatically the colors of the visualization being changed. So now it's all being done for visualization, but I think we have to change this layout because there's much more space that's been left.